And what was all that clapping about that I heard?
Miss Piggy here was showing me a clapping game that brings the beat and the rhythm together like this. Peas pudding hot, peas pudding cold, peas pudding in the pot, 9 days old.
I think we should use the song Peas Pudding Hot as our song for this week. So I think our students can start practicing the song by singing and clapping it just like Miss Piggy and Casper here did. And then you can use our words, the hop and the running and the dong notes to read through the rhythm like this.
Hop, running, dong. Hop, running, dong. Hop, running, running, hop, 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 dong. Hop, running, hop, 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 running, dong. Hop, running, hop, running, hop, hop, dong. And next you can say the letter names of the notes while finding the fingering on your recorder without blowing yet. Like this. G, G, A, B. C, 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 B. G, G, A, B, 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 A, G. D, 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 G, 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 D. G, G, A, B, 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 A, G. And then you will be quite ready to play it on your recorder. Like this.